People talked. I'll never forget a certain couple came in the office. They brought a preacher to preach. And when the preacher was there, the preacher was a white, was from the US. And they knew I'm from Zimbabwe, I don't hear Luganda. Here they started gossiping me in Luganda. Little did they know that I hear very well. I might not speak, but I hear. Be careful when you start to talk about me. So I was busy preparing tea for them there on the table. Don't mention the name. My baby was there. Don't mention her name. I don't want her to hear. She was there with me. They said, hey. She gave birth. The woman said, where? She has no child. She said, but the man was saying, they even look alike. So she's not hers. I think when they went maybe and adopted or something. I'm there. Imagine I'm there. And you are my visitors. And I'm preparing tea for you. So that I usher you in church. Cindy, you are good. They talked and they finished. And I played, I didn't hear. I served my tea. I smiled. But inside I'm saying, you people. You people. May God answer me so that He will silence those mouths of yours. Imagine there are even pastors. And moreover, they are visitors from another church. They would have waited at least when they are in their car, isn't it? When I'm not there, then they can talk about me very well. But I was there, right there, putting tea bags, pouring tea. She doesn't have. Then the man said, so how many years is in marriage? I think by then it was 4 years. And then, you women, you are amazing. You are not the one, but you already know how many years I'm married. Can you imagine you have all that time to calculate? The woman said it was 2013, 14, 15, 16. It's 4 years. She doesn't have. Then the man said, so who is this one? The man was so concerned, wanted to know who is this one. The one said, I don't know. But we have never had. It's not us. Because they have never said. We have never had it. Now I could not answer them. I had to pretend I don't hear. So I did not even look at them. I continued. I don't hear. They left. If you are watching on the TV, now I have. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
When you are waiting on the Lord, so many things will happen. There are questions. There are those who mock you. There are those who left you. There are those who don't want to hear from you. There are those who never even call you. Don't give up. Because you are about to touch your miracle. Continue walking on water. Know the one who have called you. Peter walked on water. Following Jesus. Follow Jesus. He's the one who called you. He will give you that testimony. He will give you that miracle. He will change your story. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's a matter of time. And when it happens, it will make you to forget the 8 years you didn't have. A child is beautiful. A child is beautiful. So you women, you were enjoying all along. You were enjoying. May God give you that miracle that you look at it and you smile. When you see me loving her, allow me to love her. Don't worry, I'm not spoiling her. Just allow me to do it. 8 years of waiting is not a joke. 8 years of waiting is not a joke. And you are in the front line where everybody can see you. They are able to know there is no stomach. It's just getting fat. Others are able to say maybe. Because you are in front, you can't run away. Maybe. Where? All along we thought it is just matoke. God is watching you. God is gonna bless you. Provoke a miracle. Worship Him as if you have it all. Love Him as if you have it all. Love the Lord. After you have cried, wipe away your tears. I will not tell you don't cry, because crying is okay. The only problem is to cry forever. If you want to cry, cry. God bless you, baby. If you want to cry, cry. But after crying, wipe away your tears and start running again. Start believing again. Start walking again. Start believing God again. In the name of Jesus. Before you know, the story would have changed. God will give you a testimony that everybody wants to hear it. In the name of Jesus. And when they hear it, they are encouraged. Whatever you are going through today, it's not for you alone. There are those who are going to hear and be encouraged.